Thank you, Mr. President. The youths are very lazy to think. So much that they expect a man of 72 years to fix a nation like Nigeria. Thank you for telling them what they have. Mr. President, the lazy ones are those who believed in your promises. The lazy ones are those who came out to do that 1 million march for you. The lazy ones are those who devoted their time, energy, and life campaigning for you. The lazy ones are those who accept money every election to vote unqualified people into power. The lazy ones are the ones who still believe in you and still following you like sheep. Thank you so much for reminding them of how lazy they are. But make no mistake, sir. The clever ones have never believed in you, not even for once, and we never will. The clever ones are the ones who will get you out of power by the next election. The clever ones know that a country like Nigeria needs an active president, the kind that has turned 1 naira to at least 1 naira 1 kobo before, not the one that has been in the government all his life and has lived only on the free oil money of the nation. The clever ones are the ones who have managed to get their families out of the terrible poverty that many families battle with every day. The clever ones are working hard. They are getting quality education in countries that can provide quality education, not the one your government or the previous administration have to offer the citizens. Let us go back a little bit into history, sir. You see, the Castro families have ruled Cuba for 50 years, but that regime has come to an end. Zimbabwe suffered under Mugabe for 30 years, but was disgraced out of office. The white apartheid government existed in South Africa from 1948, but their brutality all ended. Sir, the Castro families must have thought Cubans were fools. Mugabe must have underestimated the Zimbabweans and his allies all his life. And the white apartheid government would never have believed that a day would come when they would serve under the black people of South Africa, the people they have deprived of anything good all their life. Once upon a time, only the super rich can afford ordinary Volkswagen Beetle. But today, there are countable old Beetles in the global market. That is the most interesting thing about life. Nothing lasts forever. So, Mr. President, our last message to you is, no matter how long it takes, the clever youth will someday face your generation out of power and liberate our dear nation. So once again, thank you for telling the lazy ones what they have. We hope that they have learned and they will not repeat their mistake in the next election. God bless Nigeria.